lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for clicking in. So guys, today I'm taking out our 5-month-old dog for a walk at the public. So I'm going to see his reactions towards the public. He's never gone outside where with a lot of people, so let's see how he's going to react. I hope you're going to enjoy this. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. It's completely free. So guys, we are also using a tuk-tuk, something that is never used, but as you've seen, he's really enjoying it. So let's hope he's going to enjoy the walk at the public too. Good boy. Walk, Baba. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. You're tired? So guys, so far he's really enjoyed his walk and we're just going to have a rest because he's really tired, and we continue with other activities. Maybe I'll throw his best friend and also see if my sister is done so that we can go home. Otherwise, thank you so much if you've watched till this far, and still stay tuned because we have some more coming. Otherwise, thank you so much and I love you all, guys. If you haven't subscribed, as I said earlier, kindly do so. It's completely free. Choo!